Hi, follow-up users. Christine here with your tip of the week. Today, I'm going to go over how to use our bulk update feature. This feature is great when you want to reassign projects to a new team member, when you want to update the follow-up date on a bunch of projects all at the same time, or assign additional fields. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here to your project tab, click on the project tab, and then you can do one of two things. You can start right from this page, or maybe you want to do an advanced search. Maybe you want to do an advanced search for all of your contracts. Hit apply. And then maybe with everyone you contracted, you want to do a bulk update. So what you can do is you can come over here to this tab right here. I selected them. This is where this was. I selected. Now, right now, I'm selecting all 15 in this line. You can see there's a total of 48 records. So if I want to select them all, I'm going to hit the select all button. And then maybe I want to add an activity and I want to set a follow-up date for tomorrow. So then I can do that and then hit assign. And then it'll ask me, all 48 projects are going to get this follow-up date scheduled for tomorrow, I'm sure, and then I'm good to go. So that's one of the ways. You could also reassign these projects to someone else if they were new opportunities, or you could update a field and reassign the sales status, marketing status, and so on. I hope you guys enjoy the bulk update feature, and please reach out and chat if you have any questions. Thanks so much.